Hi, it's Claire Saunders from What's New in Electronics, and I'm here at IPC Apex with Gary Stoffer, who's the CCO of Advanced PCB. How are you?
Doing great, thank you, Winnie.
Good, no problem at all. So tell me a little bit more about what you guys do.
So we're Advanced PCB. We're one of the largest circuit board manufacturers in North America. And really Advanced PCB, I would say, is the product of the last 50 years. We come from two camps. Most of the industry would know us as APCT. So that consists of our Santa Clara facility, our two facilities in Orange County, and San Diego PCB Design. That melded with ACI, which is Advanced Circuits. That consists of a location in Colorado, Maple Grove, Minnesota, and Chandler, Arizona. Together, that comprises about 400,000 square feet of domestic manufacturing, making us one of the larger domestic footprints for PCB in the industry.
Okay, fantastic. And you guys are here as attendees, so you find Apex an ideal opportunity, I guess, to network with suppliers
and vendors. You can always count on decision makers coming to the show. Not only customers coming with dinners and engagements. There's an exciting time in our industry right now. There's a lot of movement, so a lot of important discussions happening, ensuring our customers get what they need from materials, from consumables, and you can find all that here and have those discussions live in planning.
Okay, so what exciting things happening? What sort of trends are you seeing? What patterns are you seeing at the moment?
Well, if you look at Advanced PCB, we are more than 50% aerospace and defense. And you look at geopolitics, everything that's happening in the world, we can only see that getting more profound. So if you deconstruct that, we are touching applications in air, land, sea, and space. Air being probably the most prevalent. So that would be military vehicles, air vehicles, UAVs, munitions, and addressing more than 50% of revenue lives there. Another influx that we're seeing is our second biggest market would be networking and storage. So sitting on the leading edge of chip design and advancements there, it's the PCBs to support the AI infrastructure. And as well as our third biggest leg would be medical technology. As baby boomers are going to life, they lean on technology to really enhance the quality of their life. And we like to say we're an important player in the electronic aptitude of that back end of life.
Okay. So all of the sort of sectors that you're in are, like you say, quite busy at the moment for one reason or another.
Very much so.
Yeah.
And they're very much, first-time success is a must. A lot of technical hand-holding, because all of these are very high reliability in markets. Success and failure is not an option.
No, exactly. It has to be high quality.
Absolutely. That is us.
Yeah, okay. And are you seeing anything specific at the show that's really excited you? Have you seen any new trends sort of with the show, the vendors here?
The glass technology and just different fabrication. But, I think we're in a unique time in our industry where especially with defense and the different things that are pulling us, it's just how do you get us that level of quality in half the time you got it before.
Yeah.
So there's, we have an abundance of investment in technology, but really where our forward look is equipment, scaling capacity, to which we still have and can offer domestically. So, that's really taking center stage right now, because much of the technology, the people we compete with, we have virtually very identical technologies. It's just a matter of how do you embrace that customer and deliver them everything that they need so they come again and again and again.
And we're within the time frame.
Right, going through that power curve right now.
Okay, fantastic. Well, that sounds great. And obviously, as you mentioned, you have lots of facilities, different places, so you can service people in lots of different regions quite easily.
Very much so. And one thing unique to us is, we do have under one roof assembly operations. So we can not only provide you a board fab, we can also populate that and give you a turnkey assembly. And, what customers lean on us for is really that end-to-end confidence that we can provide. From the very first design, we're talking about, your stack-ups, what is your application? Do you have the right electrical infrastructure there? And ultimately, that translates into something that we can friendly for design. So not only does it work, it's easier to design, which helps our throughput, which helps our yield, because we only are going to be expected to get our product in our customers' hands sooner and sooner and sooner. The more we're holding their hand and the whole journey, I think that's a unique attribute that is advanced PCB.
Fantastic. That sounds great. It sounds like a brilliant company, and you're right. You're very rarely going to get a company saying, "Do you know what? Just take your time."
Yeah. Not in our world.
No, that's
Very much
right.
so.
Well, great stuff. Well, I hope the show's really successful for you. I hope you see lots of new products, and we look forward to catching up again and finding out sort of the next steps for you guys.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Wendy.